Welcome, YouTube-vidente. You are very valuable and I'd like to have you here. Thank you very much for supporting our S.O.S channel. This video is part of a playlist I put together to showcase how to install scientific open source tools for free. Si habilitas los subtítulos de YouTube, también podrás disfrutar de nuestro contenido. Without further ado, let's enjoy this experience together.
Hello. Welcome again. Remember that subscribing to this learning channel is completely free. I am Remy, a Microsoft AI text-to-speech assistant. Let's continue our journey to consistently install scientific open source tools for free. In this video, I will guide you through the process of signing up for a GitHub account. You need it in order to be able to implement a version control system for your work. Please start by opening your favorite browser. Click inside the search box. Then, type GitHub Sign Up. From the listed results, click on Sign Up to GitHub. To sign up, you just need to provide an email address, a password, and a username. After providing these, click Continue. The sign-up application will throw you a visual puzzle to verify you are a human user. Click on Visual Puzzle. Although you may get a different puzzle, let me share with you a couple of the ones I needed to solve. This was the start of the puzzle I got to solve when I created my account. I was asked to follow the visual verification instructions. Here, I clicked the right arrow until the club icon was connected to the 7 orbit. Then clicked Submit. This is the second visual puzzle I got. To solve it, I used the right arrow to submit the image where the phone icon was on the 7 orbit. A few more visual puzzles were displayed until I was done solving all puzzles. After finishing all the puzzles, an email verification code will be sent to the email account you provided. You can open the email confirmation message, select the code, use the Ctrl+C shortcut to copy. Go back to your browser and paste the code using Ctrl+V. Soon after pasting the code, your browser will be automatically redirected to the next step. Your GitHub account should be successfully created. Type your username, password, and click Sign In. Now, you need to follow a few steps to establish a connection between your RStudio application and your GitHub account. The icon shown on the left side of your username is referred to as the avatar icon. Click on it, and then click Settings. On the left menu pane, click SSH and GPG keys. Click New SSH key. We are assuming you already have RStudio installed and an RStudio icon pinned to your taskbar. If you have not, then please check the description section of this video to learn how to do it. Click the RStudio taskbar icon to open the RStudio IDE. Click Tools. Then, select Global Options. From the left pane, click Git SVN. Click Create SSH key. Click Create. You will get a preview with the secret SSH key. Click the Close button. To get what you need to be able to establish a connection with your GitHub account, click View Public Key. Press Ctrl+C to copy your SSH key. Then click Close. Click Apply, and then click OK to close the global options. Feel free to close RStudio. You are almost done with this technicality. Go back to your browser window. Click inside the title box. Type RStudio SSH key. Then, click inside the key box and press Ctrl-V to paste your key. To enable your key, click Add SSH key. You are now ready to sign out. Click your avatar icon and select Sign Out. Click Sign Out. Congratulations, you are done. If you enjoyed the experience, please click the like button, scroll down to the comments section, and leave your feedback. Remember that you do not have to pay to subscribe to this channel. It is a simple way to reward James for sharing his skills. You are amazing, and I will see you in the next one.